When we import data into our worksheet, our approach has to be right the very first time, or we'll find ourselves struggling with data and trying to fix some problem which we ourselves might not know. Excel has dozens of features to help with this sort of problems if we change our mind later and we would like to format our data in a different way. One of this is text to columns. Today in this video we will learn how to use text to columns feature and when it can be helpful. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. We have two worksheets here exported from an accounting software. In the first sheet we have column of names which has first name and last name separated with comma. In this sheet we want to separate these names in two separate columns of first name and last name. There are multiple ways of doing this in Excel including VBA, but today we will see how text to column feature can help us in this job. First we'll select our range of cells which we want to split. Then we'll go to data ribbon and click text to column. A new wizard box will open. We need to choose the type of our data. The data we have has values separated with comma. So we need to select delimited, which is already selected, and click next. Here we need to select our delimiter, which is comma. So we will select comma and click next. Both our column data are text. So we will select text for both the columns and click finish. And we can see that our data has been split into two columns. I'll show you one more simple way of doing this. Let's undo this first. In the column next to the names, we will type the first name of the first record and then start typing the second name. And Excel just predicted what we are trying to do. Now we will need to hit enter and we have all the first names. Similarly, we can do for the last name. This is flash fill feature of Excel. If you want to know more about flash fill, then I have a separate video on that. I have provided the link in the I button above. Now let us move to another example where we have sales report and we need to find how much sales we have done to each person by using SUMIF function. But when we applied the SUMIF function, we are getting results as 0. This is because Excel has not recognized our amount column as number. This generally happens with imported data. Now let us apply text to column on our amount column. We'll select our column and go to data and click text to column. In this wizard, we'll select delimited and click next. Then select tab and click next. Keep this as general and click finish. And now our data is formatted in the manner Excel can understand, and hence we can see our result being displayed here. Let's check for one more buyer. And this is working perfectly fine. Now there is one more problem with this data. When we click on the date filter, we can see only dates in here. But when Excel recognizes that our column has dates, Excel gives us date filter instead of regular text filter. So we'll again use our text to column feature on this column, but this time with a small change. We'll select our column and go to data and click text to column. In this wizard, we'll select delimited and click next. Then select tab and click next. Here we need to select date instead of general and select our date format, which is DMY here, and click finish. And now our column is formatted as text, and hence we can see Excel now giving date filter for our column. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.